Now problem set 3, sum number 9 of first sum. That is, you have to choose a correct alternative. They have given that arc AB and BC both are equal to 120 degrees. So this is also 120 degree and this is also 120 degree. No point except point B is common to both of them, that is AB and BC. Common point is what? B over here. Which type of triangle it is? Now if this is 120, this is 120, then what will be AC? We know that the full circle is 360 degree minus 120 plus 120. So that's equal to 360 minus 240, that is equal to 120. So even this will be equal to 120 degree. So all the arcs are 120 degree, therefore all the sides will be equal. Chords will be equal. So chord BC will be equal to chord AC will be equal to chord ABY, because all the arcs are equal, so the corresponding chord also has to be equal. So if all the chords are equal, then what type of triangle it is? Equilateral triangle. So answer is what? A, equilateral triangle. Now sixth sum of problem set 3. They have given the radius of the circle. Radii of the circles are 9 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. So there are two circles. The radius of the bigger circle is how much? 9 centimeter, and radius of the smaller circle is how much? 2.5 centimeter. We have to find out the length of segment MT. So what is the length of segment MT? If you see, M is the center of the circle, of the bigger circle, and T is touching the circle, so MT became the radius of the bigger circle. What is the radius of the bigger circle? 9 centimeter. Radius of bigger circle. So the first one we have found out. Now we have to find out the next one, segment MN. Now what is NT? Length NT is equal to how much? Now N is the center of the smaller circle and T is touching the circle. So it became the radius of the smaller circle, that's equal to 2.5 centimeter. Radius of smaller circle. Now what is length MT made up of? MT is equal to NT plus MN. MT is equal to 9 centimeter, NT is equal to 2.5 plus MN. Therefore MN is equal to 9 minus 2.5. Therefore MN is equal to how much? 6.5 centimeters. So we have got the second one also. MN is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now third one, we have to find out the angle NSM. Now RM is a tangent to the smaller circle. So RM is a tangent to the smaller circle. It is touching the smaller circle at point S. So seg RM is the tangent and NS is the radius of the circle. N is the center and S it is touching the circle. So NS is the radius of the smaller circle and seg NS is the radius of smaller circle. So we know that radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, angle NSM is equal to 90 degree. Reason what we'll write down? Tangent theorem. So we have got the third one also. Now we have to find out the ratio of MS and SR. Now triangle MNS is a right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, MN square. This is a right angle. The side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse. So MN square is equal to NM square plus NS square. Pythagoras theorem. Now mn we have got how much? 6.5 square is equal to, not mn, ms. ms square. So ms square plus ns. If you look at this, ns is the radius of the smaller circle, n is the center of the circle, and s is touching the circle. So smaller circle radius is how much? 2.5 square. Therefore 42.25 is equal to ms square plus 6.25. Therefore ms square is equal to 42.25 minus 6.25. So how much it will be? If you subtract this, you will get 36. I'll just rub off this. So ms square is equal to how much? 36. Therefore ms square is equal to 36. Therefore ms is equal to how much? Root of 36, that's equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find out the ratio of ms is to sr. So we have got ms. Now we will find out sr. Now what is rm? Now m is the center of the circle and r is touching the circle. So mr is the radius of the bigger circle. So mr is equal to 9 centimeter. So what is mr made up of? mr is equal to ms plus rs. mr is equal to 9, ms is equal to 6 plus rs. Therefore rs is equal to 9 minus 6. Therefore rs is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we have got the value of ms and rs. So what is ms? ms upon sr? ms upon sr is equal to, ms is equal to 6 centimeter and sr is equal to 3 centimeter. So that's equal to 2 upon 1. So what is the ratio? So ms is to sr is equal to 2 is to 1. So we have got all the three value. In the end you write down the answer. What you have got the answer of 1, what you have got the answer of 2, what you have got the answer of 3, and what you have got the answer of 4. So according to that you write down. So length mt is equal to how much? 9 centimeter. Then length mn is equal to how much? 6.5 centimeter. Angle NSM, that is equal to 90 degree, and ms is to sr, that is equal to 2 is to 1. Now sum number 14 of problem set 3, they have given chord PQ, that is this chord and this chord, both are equal, and angle POR, that is this angle, is equal to 70 degree, and measure arc RS, that is this, is equal to 80 degree. We have to find out measure arc PR, QS and QSR. Now solution. Now angle POR is equal to 70 degree, that is already given. Measure arc PR is equal to angle POR. What is the reason? Definition of measure of minor arc. Or you can write definition of arc, measure of arc. Now therefore, since POR is equal to 70 degree, therefore measure arc PR is also equal to 70 degree. So the first one we have got measure arc PR is equal to 70 degree. Now PQ is congruent to RS, that is already given. Chord PQ is congruent to chord RS given. Therefore, the corresponding arc will be congruent. Therefore, measure arc, or you can write therefore arc PQ is congruent to arc RS. Reason what you'll write, corresponding arcs of congruent chords are of a circle are congruent, of a circle are congruent. So if the chords are congruent, then the arc corresponding to it also will be congruent. Now they have already given measure of arc RS. Measure arc RS is equal to 80 degree given. Therefore, measure arc PQ will be equal to 80 degree. Why? Because both are congruent. Now add all the arc, all this arc you added, so that is equal to how much? 360 degree. That is measure arc PQ plus measure arc QS plus measure arc RS plus measure arc PR is all equal to 360 degree. Reason what you'll write down, measure of a circle is 360 degree. So measure of a circle is 360 degree. We have got PQ is equal to how much? 80 degree. Therefore 80 degree plus QS is equal to how much? QS we have to find out. Measure arc QS plus measure arc RS is equal to how much? 80 degree plus measure arc PR. PR is equal to how much? We had got in the starting itself, 70 degree. So that is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, measure arc QS, and rest of the thing when you add 80 plus 80, 160 plus 70, 230 plus 230 degree is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, measure arc QS is equal to how much? Measure arc QS is equal to how much? 360 minus 230. 360 degree minus 230 degree. So that is equal to how much? 130 degree. So measure arc QS is equal to how much? 130 degree. So we have got measure arc QS. Now we have to find out measure arc QSR. So third one, measure arc QSR. It is made up of two arc. What is that? QS and SR. That's equal to measure arc QS plus measure arc QSR. Reason what you'll write down? Arc addition property. Therefore, measure arc QSR is equal to, what is measure arc QS? Measure arc QS is equal to 130 degree plus measure arc SR. How much is measure arc SR? Measure arc SR is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, measure arc QSR is equal to how much? 210 degree. So we have got the third one also. So measure arc QSR is equal to 210 degree. Then write down the answer. What is the first one you have got? The first one is what? Measure arc PR is equal to how much? 70 degree we have got. Second one, measure arc QS is equal to how much? 130 degree. And third one was what? Measure arc QSR, that is equal to 210 degree.